Hello and welcome to the Chauvin Arnoux UK channel. I'm David Savery with a quick start video series of the many features of the CA6117 Multifunction installation tester to help you get the most out of this capable instrument. In this video, we'll quickly get familiar with setting up the 6117 from new. A transit tab will first need to be removed from the battery compartment. The battery is removed by levering a flat-bladed screwdriver in the centre hole. Once the tab has been removed, clip the battery back in. Charging requires the use of the Chauvin PA30W power supply. This connects to the power port on the left side of the 6117. An orange indicator on the power supply and a battery loading screen on the tester will confirm charging is underway. The instrument cannot be used for capturing results whilst in charging mode, although we can familiarise ourselves with basic operation and initial setup while it is plugged in. Our testing interface is located at the top of the instrument, where we have, from left to right, ports for an earth probe, the C177A clamp accessory, the remote test probe, and standard 4mm jacks for line, neutral and protective earth. The line jack is also used for the resistance, continuity and insulation resistance functions, along with the PE jack, which operates as the common terminal for those tests. The H, S and E terminal designations are used with the earth spike testing detailed in another video. For convenience, the 6117 comes with a 3-lead set, which I shall be using in the course of our how-to series on the features and functions. A rotary dial selects between the test functions, making it easy to see which is active. If clarification is required for how to undertake any given test, the purple Help button can be pressed to display a graphical representation of the valid ports and probe placements. The 6117 display is not a touchscreen, so navigation through any menus or functions is by the 4-way cursor control and the 4 soft keys to the left of the display, which select whichever functions appear adjacent to them. Rotating the selector dial to setup will allow some basic operational parameters to be configured, such as date, time, language, sleep timer, key beep, and so on. Options to clear stored data or even to factory reset the device can all be found under the setup menu. The yellow backlight button will toggle the display brightness between light and dark to conserve power between tests, or it can be held down and used with the up and down keys to select the brightness level to your preference. On the display itself are the blue upper and lower status bars. The upper bar gives information such as the date and time, battery status, and information relative to whichever test is dialed in, such as any set limit. In all test menus, the upper bar also shows the AC frequency should an AC source be present. The lower bar will display the selected test type and the current test parameters where relevant. The large test button on the upper left of the instrument will begin the selected test according to the programmed parameters. For continuity and insulation resistance testing, the remote test probe may be used, which also has a torch and a test button for ease of operation when things get a little finger fiddly. To help free up hands further, the 6117 sits comfortably on a tabletop to offer an optimal viewing angle to the operator. Additionally, a 4-point harness is easily attached, allowing the instrument to be worn around the neck. The harness can be unclipped by prising the fasteners with a fingernail or flat screwdriver. With basic setup and navigation complete, we're now ready to run the 6117 through its wide range of functions. If you're new to this instrument, do be sure to review our other short and to the point videos where we show the 6117 in action.